Power BI for analytics. Spreadsheets for your planning, forecasting, and reporting. Sound familiar? Your team deserves better. Budgets affect operations. Forecasts shape possibilities. Decisions impact everyone. Yet the tools behind them often create more work than value. Most planning and reporting tools still work as disconnected islands. This results in fragmented data and slow processes. Aimplan extends Power BI with planning, forecasting, reporting, and collaboration in one integrated environment. Stay in your familiar system, Power BI. Save time and effort. Gain control. Make smarter decisions. Aimplan, extending Power BI where decisions are made. Learn more at aimplan.com.